For the last couple of days, I've looked for a good quality microphone at lower price, so I tested some available models and also read tons of reviews on the internet. And finally, I ended up buying this Boya BY-M1. In this video, I'm going to unbox and review this bad boy. Let's do it! Hey, what's up guys, how are you doing? I'm Farshid and welcome back to my new video. If you are new around here, just hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Back to the mic. As a content creator, it is necessary to have a good microphone to improve your audio quality. But if you are new in this business and just created your channel recently, like me, you don't need to buy one of those fancy and expensive equipment. The budget options are pretty much do the job well, but not all of them. I believe when you get bigger and grow your audience, then you have to think about to improve your equipment, not at the beginning. Just start creating your content with devices that you already have, like your smartphone. But it is totally depends on the content you're working on. For example, if you are recording podcasts, your phone's built-in microphone is good to go. You don't need any external ones. But in the case that you sit a little far from your camera or phone on talking like you do, your audio is not going to be crisp and clear. In this case, one of these lavalier mics solves your problem. As I mentioned before, I tested some models, but this particular one is so affordable and catches good quality audio. It only costs 20 bucks and you can easily buy one of these per set from the link I'll leave below this video. Go check it out. By the way, I'm recording this video's audio with this microphone. You can see the difference from my last video. Just click on the banner right here to go to my last video. Now, let's see what is in the box. Now it's a time for some testing. This one is recorded from this mic plugged into my phone. And finally, this is recorded from this mic plugged into my laptop. So as you can see, this mic is a universal microphone. You can record from every audio recordable device. Not all the mics on the market support both cameras, phones, and laptops. And this is one big advantage. The only disadvantage that I can mention is that this mic's audio has a little noise, which is not a big deal. You can easily remove it with any audio and video editor apps. I'll teach you how to do this in my next video, so stay tuned. So as a wrap, if you are new in content creating and have any extra dollars to burn, I highly recommend you to buy one of these mics. You can definitely feel the improvement in your content. And I think this is the best budget purchase I've ever made for my YouTube channel. It's so worth it. Don't forget the links of this mic below this video. Go buy one for yourself. But as I told you, if you really want to improve your audio quality and have extra money, go for it. It's up to you. But your phone built-in microphone is good. You can use it until you grow your channel. Well, that's it. What do you think about using this kind of mics in your project? Just tell me in the comments below which type of mics you are using currently. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, please do. It's really helped me. And as always, take care of yourself and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.